Listify review, demo, and $3,125 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblackhat.com and this is my Listify review. Now right here in this video I'm going to do a little demo for you, and I have a huge $3,000 plus bonus which will include a ton of software, resellers licenses, etc. Okay, so I'm going to show you the bonus in the end of this review video, but first of all I just wanted to explain you what Listify is actually doing. We're gonna go through the sales page, the inside of the members area, the training, the whole funnel, the pricing, and everything else. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's jump into it. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just googled how much is one email subscribers worth, and it shows me that it is worth $1 per month. So theoretically, if you have a list of 10,000 subscribers, you should be making $10,000 per month. But the problem with that is that's the average. So you can make as much as $5 per subscriber per month, or you can make 10 cents or less. So it will be very, very different depending on how you actually build your list. Okay, so obviously the best way is to have a buyers list, just buyers of your product. But for that you have to launch a product, which I know is not for everyone. A buyers list, people that actually buy your products, will be the most responsive. They will actually listen to you, they look up to you as an authority, etc. But with that being said, it's very, very hard to scale up, and it's not for everyone, because not everyone can just launch a product. It takes months of work in some cases. And the next best thing is paid traffic, right? So essentially paying for Facebook ads or Bing ads, or even solo ads if you do it right. But the problem with that is you are dealing with squeeze pages, and with a squeeze page people not always will enter their primary email. So most people out there already know that once they enter their email, they will be contacted by you or by someone else with a ton of marketing promotions. So they will put in a fake email, they will create an email just for these free giveaways, or they will just not check their email. Okay, so and what Listify does, it solves this problem, because it essentially builds your list with no opt-in, and then it forces the person that actually downloaded what you're giving away to enter their primary email, which means that you're getting their primary email, you're gonna get into their inbox, they're gonna read the message, and you're gonna make a ton of money. So that's how it works in a nutshell. And right now let me show you the sales page. And actually I don't have the sales page because it's not ready yet. I just have the text version, but it will work. I just wanted to hit on some key points right here. So as you can see, it says, want to tap into the #1 way of making money online today? Discover this unique twist we use to build cash generating email list into 53,788 subscribers just by giving away free software. This cloud solution will practically force people to get on your email list, and they'll absolutely love you for it. So that's exactly what I'm talking about. People don't have to opt in. You will be getting their primary email address, and you'll be giving away a free software, and you're getting a total of 20 softwares that you can give away. So huge value right there. So just scrolling down, obviously they don't have any income screenshots or proof screenshots right here. So we're just gonna hit on the key points again. Listify, this is the name of this brand new product, and again, this is my Listify review. So it works in 4 simple steps. You connect to your autoresponder, then you give away plugins and softwares, then people download the plugin, they activate it, and they have to opt in to your list to do it, and then you send emails and profits. So super easy. I'm going to show you exactly how this works in a second. You're gonna go through this whole sales page in your own time. Obviously I can't show you any proof screenshots or income screenshots or traffic screenshots right here, but it will all be right there together with testimonials on the sales page as usual. I just wanted to hit on some key points, and right now let me show you the inside of the members area. So once you'll decide to pick up Listify, this is what you will be presented with inside the members area. As you can see, we have the welcome tab right here. Then we have accounts. So right here in the accounts tab, you will add your autoresponder, and you can add any autoresponder. So let's just click right here where it says connect a new account. You can create an HTML form if you don't have an autoresponder, or if you want to do it this way. We have Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, SendLane, ActiveCampaign, and Zapier. So you can connect any autoresponder through Zapier. Then we have packages. Now these are the packages that you'll be giving away. Okay, so as you can see, we have a bunch of different things that you can give away. Essentially, you get the download page, the landing page, or you can actually just give it away yourself as a download. Okay, so let me just show you exactly how this works. So this is a page, a squeeze page that you're going to be using. As you can see, there's no opt-in box, so people will not be entering their email. This is where normally people enter their fake email or the email that they never check. Now to get this plugin from you, they're gonna have to actually click here to download the plugin. They will be able to download it, and when they install it, if they want to start using it, they will have to enter their email right there, and that's the email you're getting. So inside WordPress, people will actually enter their best email, their primary email, and not just a giveaway email everyone has for these free giveaways. So that's why you're getting their best email, and that's how it works, and that's the brilliance of it. Okay, so you're getting a total of 20 plugins. You're getting the box art, which is the design for it, landing page, download page, everything else. As you can see, training is included as well, so you're gonna get all the video training included with this, so you know exactly how to make money with it. And there's not much more to it than what I just showed you, but I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you're watching on YouTube, the video that I'm going to upload right after this one is the demo video. It's a full 8-minute, I believe, demo video to show you exactly how this works. Now if you are on my blog right now, right below this video, you're gonna see the demo, so check it all out. But essentially this is how it works. You're getting 20 plugins with the landing pages, with the download pages, with the delivery, with support. You don't have to worry about any of it. You just have to give it away and start building your list. That's how brilliant this is. Now let's talk about the pricing and all of the upsells. So as you can see, Listify will be $27 during the initial launch period. Okay, so the early bird will actually be $24.95 for the first 6 hours, then it will start going up to $27, but after the initial launch period the price will be actually going up a lot. So what you're getting is everything that I just showed you, so the 20 plugins, download pages, landing pages, and the video training. Then we have Listify Pro, $67, that's OTO number 1. And as you can see, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna unlock 51,000 plugins that you can give away. So you're getting 20 plugins with the main product. You're getting 51,000 plugins that you can give away legally for free with the first upgrade, and you're getting 5 different landing and download pages for each plugin as well. So just more giveaways, more chances to build your list, and more chances to make money. Okay, so as you can see, this will be $67 OTO number 1. Then we have Listify OTO number 2, $97. And as you can see, this is still my bonus, which is a collection of done for you bonus pages and a cloud-based bonus creator. So this is for anyone that wants to make money with affiliate marketing. So you're getting 30 bonus packages, and that will include the pages, the delivery, everything is customizable, etc. Okay, so this is OTO number 2, $97, and then we have Listify OTO number 3, $97 as well, and this will be underground affiliate system, and this offer includes Richards and Paul's, these are the two guys behind the course, pre-done funnels and follow-up series. So all you have to do is just send them the traffic, and they will take over from this point on, and they will make the sales for you, and essentially people will be entering their funnel, and you are getting paid on every single product that they're gonna be buying from this point on. Okay, so that's $97 again. And the last OTO, $97 as well. So get Listify OTO number 4, $97, and this will be Smart Content Match. So this is a cloud-based app that lets you search for the minute content and use that content on your blog. So you can edit, schedule it, you can use it with multiple blogs, all in minutes, and you have a built-in affiliate module that you can automatically monetize the content with. Okay, so these are all of the OTOs. Again, the main product Listify is $27. That's the launch period price, $24.95 with the early bird discount for the first 6 hours, and then you have all the prices of the OTOs. Now all of the OTOs have a downsell, but keep in mind, if you're going to buy the downsell, that's just a smaller version of the original one-time offer. Okay, so these are all of the prices, and right now let me show you all of my bonuses, and this will include some custom bonuses, some software, some resellers licenses, well over $3,000 worth of value. Okay, so let me just tell you that Listify goes live on October 17th at 11 a.m. Eastern, and if you'll decide to pick it up from my link, you're gonna get all of these bonuses I'm going to mention right now. If you're on my blog, you can just click on one of these blue links and this will take you to the sales page. If you're watching on YouTube, just click on the first link in the description and this will take you to the sales page. Anywhere you click, you always get my bonus, okay? So first of all, I'm going to give you a custom bonus that I made especially for this promotion, and this is Easy List Building. So this is a full course by myself, and this is a custom bonus. So you're gonna get it nowhere else but as a part of this bonus package, okay? That's bonus number one. Then I have Facebook Ninja, which will give you resellers rights, the lead magnet, video upsell, membership site, all graphics, all pages, and all content, and that's Listify bonus number one, and I have 5 of these. So you know, with all 5 of these, you're gonna get the resellers rights, you're gonna get the lead magnet, video upsells, membership site, and everything else. So we got Facebook Ninja, Instagram Wizard, Pinterest Marketer, Twitter Tornado, and YouTube Hijack. Keep in mind, all of these are with resellers rights. Then I'm going to give you a reseller license to 3 of my W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. Okay, so this bonus alone is worth $300, and as you can see, you're gonna get 3 resellers licenses to Instavit, to Traffic Trapper 2.0, and to Traffic Extractor Ultimate. These are my top selling traffic softwares. Then I'm going to give you some courses, and these are all W's of the Day awarded courses. Blaze, everything about making money with free traffic, rapid niche profits, everything about creating niche sites that make you passive income, targeted traffic cache search, everything about Bing ads, newbie traffic formula, another traffic course. Now you're also going to get Flip Me, my top selling flipping course, and the Flip Me booster, and you're also going to get a reseller's license to Flip Me. Okay, so that alone is worth $100. Then we have Urgent Arbitrage Cache, Easy Arbitrage Profits, Tube Traffic Avalanche, then a case study on how to generate free traffic from Facebook, and 9 plugins and softwares on top of what I just mentioned. And you're gonna get Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action. Now on top of all this, you're gonna get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500. Now you're gonna get my mega bonus and all the bonuses that I just mentioned, which means that this brings it up to a total of $3,175. Now again, if you're watching this on my blog, you can just click on one of these blue links to go directly to the sales page and get my bonus. If you're watching on YouTube, click the first link to go to the sales page, click the second link to go to my blog and check it all out. I have a full written review, so if you want to read about Listify, you know, I have a full written review including the funnel, including everything else, and a little sum up. So just to sum it up, first of all, you're gonna build your list on autopilot. Second of all, you're gonna get leads with no opt-in. This is huge. You're giving away high quality products. You're getting 20 with the main product. No worries about delivery. It boosts conversions because if you're gonna be buying solo ads, you know that the opt-in rates are like 50% on average. It outperforms any squeeze page and it works in any niche. So guys, here's my full written review. If you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment on my YouTube video or right here on my blog below the written review. You can always leave a like on YouTube. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that as well. And I will be seeing you very shortly in the next video. And once Listify goes live at 11 AM Eastern on October 17th, this was my Listify review, and I'm going to see you very shortly in the next video. Ciao.